Neighborhood Classics. We're going to do another drive-by junkyard edition. Here we are out in East Tennessee, and we just spotted this late 60s, early 70s Ford pickup truck just sitting here in the woods. We're going to get a little closer look and see what condition this thing really is in. Get a little closer here, trying to keep the camera still. Got the windshield smashed out of it, so I'm sure it's really in fine shape. Got the old white Steelies on it. It is a Ford F100. That'd be a Ranger edition. Yep, you can see it back there on the tailgate. Can't really see inside of it that well. It's full of leaves. Trim coming off a little bit. Still got an original hubcap on it there. Ranger edition. Tailgate's missing. Still got the bumper on it. Tripping over stuff. Back window. Still in it. Looks like it might be an original black truck. Probably a 302, maybe 289. It opens too. Check it out. Hubcaps are still in it. Got some brakes. Ooh, 3 on the tree. Manual. So we're sitting here on posted property. Oh, it's got a little Bluetooth addition on the floorboards. Not in bad condition for where it's at. Rocker's still good on this side. Yeah, maybe it's not a black truck. Looks like it might have been an orange or reddish truck back in the day. I don't know, but the door jambs are painted black too. Just sitting here quietly in the woods. Certainly a will it run candidate, or be cool to be able to survive or revive this truck. Let us know what you think in the comments. We're able to get it open. Got a very small, looks like a 289, maybe 302. Radiator's out of it too. Not a bad looking old truck for its age. That Ranger is this beautiful 63 or 64 Ford Galaxy. Beautiful car. What I can tell, once again, posted property. Try not to get here. The door's been hit pretty hard, but the fender looks okay from there. All the glass is in this one. This is a 4-door edition. Still, beautiful car for back in the day. Grill missing, of course. 3 out of 4 headlights. 3 won't do it, 4 never will. That's a Galaxy 500 XL. Yeah, not quite sure what the original color was. Got shifter on the floor. Gauge is there. Original hubcap. White interior. Headliner coming down. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Is this something that you would restore, part out, try to save, or put it in the junkyard in this junkyard drive-by junkyard editions? Hey, classic car lovers! If you're enjoying today's video, please put a like on it, share it on your social media sites, and subscribe to the channel to help us grow and to produce future content. Now, back to the show. Our travels today and heading out and looking for drive-by junkyards. We found, seriously, around for Drive-By Junkyards, we found this antique gas station in Reliance, Tennessee. Old Texaco station. And combined post office. Check it out. Beef. It's what's for dinner. One more thing that we want to take a video of today in our Drive-By Junkyard edition, volume number 2, and here it is. We've got a Plymouth Valiant from the early 60s sitting here on the side of the road with lots of great looking patina, original hubcaps and steelies. Little Valiant 100. Sitting here looking good. Still got, looks like the original seats. Very hard to see inside of here. It is locked. Still got its gas cap. Originally a Florida car. What do you think? This could make a cool looking little daily driver, get it going. Probably has the slant 6 in it. And it has all 4 hubcaps. Looking tough, looking mean. Mean as a Plymouth Valiant 100 can. But still, these old Plymouths, old Mopars, they're still very cool to this day.